like my favorite part, is choosing out like which wallet and which like accessory. I get so excited about these things. Welcome back to my channel and happy Fashion Friday. I am here, same outfit as my last video because this is actually a travel series, packing and also showing you guys everything that I'm bringing with me on our trip to Santa Monica. And we're so excited to go to California, but I wanted to do this full travel video series with you because I think they're so fun to watch. So today I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to bring fashion related. So that is what I'm packing in my Neverfull bag, which you can see right here. And then also what I'm packing as far as accessories and my wallet and all that fun stuff, and then also sunglasses and just the whole works. So that is what we're going to be doing in today's video. I'm super excited and so pumped about this video. So I'm actually standing on my ottoman right now. Yes, I am, because I wanted to actually get a shot from up here just to show you guys everything that I'm going to be showing you in today's video. So I'm going to show you all the small accessories that I'm going to be packing with me in my purse. So it's going to be kind of like a what's in my bag. But yeah, if you guys want to see what's in my bag and all the accessories I am bringing, then just keep on watching. And then my other video that I have is actually the full pack with me on my clothing. So there's 3 videos of the whole travel series that I'm doing. So one's on the vlog channel, one was the last video, and then today's video. So I'm really excited. So I thought I would start off with handbag first. So I think the handbag that I'm going to bring is actually my Neverfull, so that one right there. And I do still have my Chanel goodies sitting here, so I'm not actually going to bring those with me. I do have a full video if you want to watch it. I am going to try to see in Santa Monica if I can get my hands on anything else from that collection. The iridescent pink spring summer collection is just so beautiful. It seemed to be sold out everywhere, so if I can get my hands on something, I definitely will try to. And I'll try to vlog when I'm out there too and get some footage. But yeah, I am gonna bring the Neverfull bag. I love traveling with this bag. It's the perfect size. And I also have my little Lindy bag charm on there, which is so adorable. I have a coupon code if you guys want to use it. But look how pretty this is. It's so blingy. So I'm gonna just take my bag. And then the other bag I'm gonna bring with me is this one right here. So it's a Louis Vuitton, and I just love this bag. I love smaller bags that are still statement pieces. Now it was between that bag and this one right here. So I have this in red and I carry it around every day. This is the pink one, and it also has a gold strap. You guys have seen me talk about this bag before, and it actually comes with different inserts here, which is great. So it's a wonderful bag to have, but definitely think since I'm going to California, I want to spice it up a little bit, and I think this is going to be my dinner bag. So I'm sure we're going to go out for a nice dinner one of the nights that we're there, so I thought I could bring this bag, which I love this bag so much. I'm sure you've seen it in my other videos. This is the way it opens right here, and I actually did a full handbag collection video, but I love the way it opens. I think the front of the bag is just so beautiful. And then that's the inside of the bag. You can't fit a whole lot in here, but I wouldn't really need anything besides a small little coin purse and my phone. So I'm also going to bring my Chanel coin purse or my Louis Vuitton. I will decide in a minute. But yeah, I'm going to bring this bag with me. Just right where I keep all of my small accessories, and this is like my favorite part, is choosing out like which wallet and which like accessory. I get so excited about these things because they're usually just sitting here. I don't use them a whole lot. They're more for just my collection, since you guys know I love handbags and accessories. And I'm excited to actually use one and bring one on my trip. So I think it's between this one and this one. So we have Louis Vuitton and then the Chanel. It's really hard to choose. I think I'm gonna actually bring this one. It's just a classic little baby wallet, and this is the Zoe wallet by Louis Vuitton. Let's get up close here. I bought this on my Vancouver trip, so the last trip I was on, and look how cute it is. It's just so petite and so tiny and miniature. It just honestly reminds me of my sweet baby girls. It's so tiny. So I think I'm gonna bring this with me. And then of course I do have this clutch bag, which is the one that Ryan got me for Christmas. And it's a really beautiful, beautiful bag, but I think there's something about that bag that I love so, so much, and I think it's just because it's such a statement piece, and you can wear it both ways, which is really nice too. And I don't know, I really love that bag so, so much. And I did have it when I went to Vancouver, but I am gonna switch up my wallet. The last time I was traveling, I actually traveled with my Prada. And then this is also great because it can also fit into that small bag perfectly, because it's the smallest wallet that I have. So I'm gonna put that down there. You guys know how much I love my Bling Art For You products. So this is the mirror that I have right here. Can we just talk about how beautiful and stunning this is? So I'm definitely gonna bring this with me. It's a little compact mirror. Just to show you how it works, I'm gonna turn it on. Voila! And how perfect is that to travel with? So I'm definitely gonna bring this. It's a really nice size too, for when I'm getting ready, and especially if I plan on doing a video or vlogging out there, because I'm gonna bring my laptop. So I know it's a short trip, but I thought might as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna bring this, and I'll leave a link down below on her Instagram, Bling Art For You, though. She makes these. Adela, shout out to you because you're amazing at what you do. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. The other thing I need is sunglasses. So this is where I keep my sunglasses. I don't have a lot actually. I just ordered another pair from Nordstrom, so those will be coming in, and I'll show you when I get them in on a new Fashion Friday video. But I'm actually gonna bring these. I really love the fact that it's nude on the back, and these are really dressy, but they can also be casual at the same time. I feel like I can just wear these with so many outfits, and they fit really nicely. So I'm gonna bring these. I will just put those there for now. And then for perfume, oh my goodness, you guys, the Peony and Blush Suede is my favorite fragrance right here by Jo Malone, and thank goodness that I got the smaller travel one. So it's this one right here. I actually got this one from Sephora, thank goodness, because it's a more travel friendly bottle. So I'm also gonna bring this with me because it smells heavenly, and it's not too big, which is perfect. So that you can still buy at Sephora. I've seen it on their website. It's just not on the Jo Malone website, but I do have like the larger fragrance, but I'm not gonna travel with that, of course. And since it is Fashion Friday, I completely forgot to show you this last week, so I'm going to show you now. It's the Oscar de la Renta Bella Rose fragrance. I've never seen it before, never heard of the brand even. It's such a beautiful bottle, and I smelt it after I saw the bottle, and it smelled heavenly. It smelled like roses, and it was very fresh. I ended up buying it, and this is the smaller one, but the bottle is beautiful. Like, the rose gold is just so stunning to me. So I just actually have it. So I'm actually just using it for decor right now. I just have it on my shelf right here. I haven't used it yet, but it is a beautiful fragrance. Okay, so I just found my Tiffany & Co. sunglasses. These ones right here. These are the ones I wore like all last summer. And I can't decide which ones I want to bring because I do really like these ones as well. So just to show you guys up close like what they look like, look at the details. I really like these sunglasses. I think I'm gonna bring these ones instead. I think that these ones are just like a little bit less bulky than the other ones, and I can see myself wearing these ones a little bit more. So I've got my bag down here, and the first thing that I just put in here are my sunglasses. So this is just like the little Tiffany & Co. case, and then I've got my sunglasses in here, just because if I were to put them without the case, they'd probably get damaged or break in there. The next thing I wanted to show you guys, this is actually something I bought off Amazon, and I'm so happy I did because it's such a good investment. And this is actually for the inside of your Neverfull. So it's to put all of your stuff so the bottom of the bag doesn't get dirty or damaged. So I'm gonna put this in here, and I'll show you how it fits after, and I'm gonna put the sunglasses just next to it because there's still space. And it fits perfectly, like it's meant for it. So I will leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. But basically this is what it looks like right here, and then you can separate everything, but it's just nice because then you don't dirty the inside of your bag. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna bring with me is my compact mirror, which I can see myself getting ready with this every morning, so I'm gonna put that in there. And then the wallet that I chose, which is just a tiny little wallet right here. It's gonna be so easy to just fit inside here, so I'm gonna put that right here. So I know you guys already know I don't wear a lot of jewelry. I pretty much just wear my wedding ring, but this VINCERO watch that I got, and you would have seen this in my luxury haul video, I absolutely love this watch. I think it's such a nice little dainty, timeless piece, like I said, and I'm definitely gonna bring this with me. I think it'll go with so many of my outfits, and I'm actually just gonna leave it in the box because I'm not gonna wear it on the plane. Like I said, I'm dressing really casual on the plane, so I will just bring the little box it came in. So just like that, I'm just gonna bring this watch, and I'm actually just gonna stick it right here. There's so much room in here, like I can definitely just fit that in there. And right here I just have my little passport case, which is so cute. I think I actually bought this when I was at the airport. So I'm gonna put that in there. And my fragrance, I just wanted to show you guys this in my video, but I'm actually not gonna bring this in my bag just because the restrictions. So I think I'm just gonna throw this into my makeup bag. So I'm just gonna put that here for now. And then the other thing I'm bringing is my bag. So my small clutch bag, I'm gonna bring this, and this will actually fit right in here as well. There we go. Honestly, I don't know what I would do without the Neverfull. This is just such a nice bag to travel with. It fits so much. It fits my small bag, and everything else that I need to travel with can fit in here. So I've got all that, and of course I always go with my makeup brushes and a powder as well because I get really oily throughout the day. So just in this slot here, I thought this would be so perfect just to carry my brushes like that. Then the other thing I think I'm going to bring, I'm also going to bring my little Rose Ballerine change purse. So sometimes if I'm traveling and I have change, I like to keep it separate from my wallet, and the other one doesn't hold change, so just in case, I think I'm gonna bring this. Yes, this is the same print that I have the wallet of and like the mini bags, and like I said, I really love the Rose Ballerine design that Louis Vuitton did, and yeah, this is the coin purse, so I am gonna bring this with me. And then I'll put that right next to my other wallet that I already have in there. And whenever I travel, I love bringing like a fun bag tag, and I just have been really obsessed with these. That's why I collect a lot of them. But the Bon Voyage one is in marble and pink, and I got this I think from Marshalls, so I'm gonna bring this in my bag too. And then lastly, my phone, my sweet baby girls. So they'll always be with me. I think I'll just put my phone right in here because that fits nicely. And look at that, I still have space, which is always good. I'd never like to pack it like overpacked at first, because if I end up going shopping and I need to bring some stuff back, it's always nice to put it in my bag. And then I usually have to carry stuff for Ryan too. So yeah. But I'm happy I got to pack that with you, and it's done, and I got to kind of show you everything that I'm going to bring with me in my Neverfull. And of course my bag charm right there is the Lindy ones, and they're so cute, so I think it styles my bag really nicely. So yeah, you guys, we are all packed. We've got my bag packed, my suitcase, my makeup, so everything is done now, and I will probably be already on my way back now. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully I have some goodies to bring home with me so I can do another video for you and share everything that I find in California. The only thing I am not bringing are the beautiful Lubus sitting right there, and they're so pretty to use as decor, but they're so uncomfortable, so those are a no, but they're just so pretty. I love those shoes so much. Okay, so that is everything I'm bringing fashion related. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and that is everything pretty much for the whole travel series that I'm doing to California, so make sure you guys go watch the other two videos, and I hope you enjoyed watching this one. And I'm in California obviously right now, the time that you're watching this video. I'm back tomorrow. Make sure you guys subscribe before you go. I have so many awesome Makeup Monday and Fashion Friday videos coming your way. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday.